Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. Old Volkswagen, headliner, fluffy stuff, B is for build. Alright guys, we're back in the shop. The old Volkswagen's looking good. We have success on the edges. So I'm working on getting them off here. Let's see if we can see this here. It's out finally. So we're going to work on the headliner today and work on getting off the strip things. So thanks for everyone for giving me the comments and the video links, helping me figure out that there are actually those stupid metal tabs that I have to bend out to get that stupid rubber strip so we can start the process of the headliner. So we're going to work on getting those out, getting things prepped, getting the sound deadening stuff, whatever it is right there, underlayment, floor, fluffy stuff in, and spray adhesive in, so then I can come back in a little bit and hopefully attempt to put on a headliner. So yeah, finally figured out there was these bent tabs. So thanks to everybody in the comments. So you gotta stick the screwdriver up on the edge, and like pry and turn, and then stick it in and pry it the rest of the way up. And so I finally got one side done. Now I'm working on the other side here. Right there, as you can see, getting the tabs done all the way down and up to the top. Okay, so yeah, tabs, stinking tabs, got them. So thanks guys for helping me figure that out, giving me the information I need, and some video links to help me figure it out and see what to do to get those out. With all this fluff on it, I had no idea there were even tabs in there. To be honest, I couldn't tell there were tabs on the whole thing. So I want to work on this other side here, work on trying to get it done, and get this whole edge finished up, and then we can work on hopefully putting down some carpety sound deadening stuff on these pillars, and on the back pillars they show, and I think I'm going to replace and put it on some other spots. I got some 3M like super 90 adhesive industrial strength stuff to make sure it sticks, and then I just got to remember where these holes are for brackets and I think seat belt bolt things, just to make sure I know where the bolts will go. And I don't know if it even shows them on the headliner. Okay, so there's this side. You got the old strippy done, pried out everything. So now I'm gonna clean up. Where's that stuff at? Let me show you what I got. So one of the links that one of you sent me was a Volkswagen guy doing the upholstery and how to install the headliner, and he was talking about this stuff, and I run a hardware store, so it's easy for me to get it, and we have it because we are not Lowe's or Home Depot. Okay, there it is. It is a laminate hardwood floor thingy underlayment. I got the high strength 3M 90 industrial strength spray adhesive, a big can of it, all the good stuff. I got the backup multi-purpose 77 3M because 3M is the best spray stuff out there. So this stuff's like 1/8 inch thick, 1/4 inch thick, somewhere in there, and it's underlayment. So I'm going to cut strips out of it and put them where strips were in the car. I plan on using some in the doorways and some of the wheel well areas, the other doorway, behind the door cards. And so right there in the door cards, then the pillars from the bottom to the top, and then the rear pillar back there, they had some as well. So that's the plan for that stuff. Here's my precise measuring tool, piece of wood. I put a line in it with how long I think it is. I'll follow the edge or something with it and try to cut some strips of this stuff to put on the pillars, and then I'll spray adhesive them down. Okay guys, I got glued fuzzy fingers. I went through a whole can of 3M extra duty super strong stuff down there in that can. As you see, I went through tons of backing off of the cloth stuff. The best of all is what I got done. Okay, so look at that panel there. I filled it full of the sound deadening stuff. Look up there. Oh yeah. Dude, it took away the tin sound on the ceiling. I just put a couple pieces in different spots from leftover scraps. I got the B pillars in the back there done up, and then I got, like I said, those holes on the side there as well, on both sides, all the way up and around. So it's pretty awesome. They got it all sound done. Can you hear that? No, because it's awesome. Like, it really has changed that metal sound and taking that out of it. So I wonder if I could get a good 10 sound for you. See, that's still some 10, but not that sound. So I plan on doing it in the doorways behind the glass on here. The footwells up there on the front driver. Back here on the back where some more vinyl goes. And again on this door here. Like I said, down there. And making it all not sound so tin canish. So it's awesome. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the episode. I get 3+ hours of working on this insulation stuff, dealing with cans of spray adhesive, cutting out, trimming, and making the stuff fit, and removing those strips. So we got the strips removed, we got all the fluffy stuff in the place where it needs to be. So I work a long shift tomorrow, 13 hours, so maybe after, if I get the will and the strength to do it. I'll come in and try to tuck in that one piece, get all the metal pieces hammered in, maybe apply that first strip of headliner vinyl door pillar piece, and then get all the metal pieces in the headliner to help hold it up out of the way, and we can see what we need to do there. So it definitely is awesome. I'm glad I put the stuff in the roof. I think there was stuff there before, but there wasn't when we removed that headliner, because I think it was it's an old restoration, and the headliner was replaced back in the day. Because this is, man, it sounds so much better, and it won't sound so tin canny inside. I'm hoping if I can fill up the back here by the seats and stuff, it'll help take out some of the engine noise, kind of pad the firewall. So again, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe, and we definitely have more to come. So hopefully in the next video I will reveal a new project that has fallen into my lap, and also a challenge I was invited to. So hopefully, if things work out, we can get these things sorted, continue to work on the Volkswagen. We're so close to getting the headliner in, done, glass in. And then I'll finish assembling the panels, have the glass in, drive it around some. Then I can work on carpet, interior, and then the accessories, knobs, dash pieces, the air box, some of that stuff I can do whenever, wherever. Under a tent, out in my yard, in the field, or at my house that I'm renting. So again, thanks for tuning in to this episode. Till next time.